This is a 2018 retake of one of the very few remaining original vintage elevators on the campus. This is elevator number 2 at Doherty Hall at Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. While it may not look like it on the outside, indeed it is on the inside. 2-speed door makes look like a 3-speed door. Westinghouse. That's right. Original black button Westinghouse elevator from 1948. Level B. Adams replacement indicator. That was probably replaced in the 90s. Some of that text up there is new. This is the only elevator I know of on campus with black buttons, with full Westinghouse black buttons here at level B, which was originally the sub-basement. 2-speed doors. I can't believe 2018 and it's still original. We'll go up to 3. Here you go out. Here at 3. It's shaky. Still one's like a charm now. We'll go back down to 1. 88 phone. Repainted cap since last time I was here, but it's still pretty worn out. You can see some light up the fan. I think there's some windows in the shaft. Those are newer light fixtures. You can see through there too. Yeah, there are some windows in the shaft. Here, back at 1. That originally said Westinghouse, so they painted over it. Elevator number 5, but I'm pretty sure this is actually elevator number 2. Here's your floor plan. Any day now. There it closes, and that's going to be it.